You okay? You ain't gonna fall. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, my man. Ooh. Ooh.
Just in case you're wondering, guys, and you're still here watching this amazing view. It is, I'm bringing you with me. Oh, look at this. Here we go. Check it out at the bottom. Let's see. Got a footstool and everything. This would be an amazing spot to just sit and meditate in the mornings. Let's see. Good old Phoenix. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It sounds like fireworks. How you guys doing? Day trip up here to visit my friend. He brought me here. First time, called Dobbins Point. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share if you dare.